Sunbeam Tiger. Those things.
Oh man, look at that.
I like it.
Cars here.
He's
Oh
enjoying.
man.
327 probably in it.
Oh man. Got some fancy cars.
Beautiful.
Whoa, look at that one.
Nice. Beautiful car.
Ooh, fancy. Can you modify
It is a
it?
fancy one.
Nice.
That's where they
Nice.
come.
I love it.
Oh, they're like good cars.
Love it.
We got everything here today.
Glad you came, huh?
Yeah, I am. Over half of these, I don't even know the names. They look good. Nice to drive to more car shows. Oh, here's your favorite, the truck. Oh, you get to see the Walmart truck over there.
Walmart.
Going to Walmart.
Ooh, look at that fancy one down there.
Old Stingray.
Sting?
Oh, I like it.
Oh
That's
my God! Please get
That's so cool.
Sorry.
You got it already, honey.
I got the back. I like that.
I got it better angle. I'll pass it to you.
PTX, that's nice. Low power. Low power.
Oh,
Another convertible. You got the white walls, you got it. It's all,
You know each one of them,
that's worth a
huh?
lot of money right
oh, here
there.
comes the
Which
next
one? This
car.
one?
Why are there people in the cars? Do they own them or all of them?
Yeah.
They don't give rides, I guess.
I get them in the cargo right front of me.
Oh, look at that one.
The other way, people.
Right?
I know. Before the people walk in front of it. I don't know them.
Hurry up. Dang it.
Get that
Well, that's
split
those out
second.
here, the NHR, the other drag cars.
Oh, yeah.
That
There you
that
go,
can be
got it.
photos.
Oh man.
Let's go.
Now that's what you call pride.
They'll rattle you number bad, real bad.
Yeah, well. probably
Corvette,
take cover like
another
the
Corvette.
bombs about it.
Yeah, if ever take it to the drag, I'll get you a headset. 396.
Cattle corn, cattle corn.
There's Grandpa right there.
Cattle corn, cattle corn.
Woo!
One time. Who wants it? Who needs it? Cattle corn, cattle corn. 1 for 6.
That's a cool one.
Oh, look at that one, look at that one. That's a fancy motorcycle.
That was way back in the old school days.
Yep.
That's a
I
Rosie
can have
one.
that in my property.
Oh, that makes sense.
Put all the little kids in the back.
Yep. Got it.
BMW sidecar.
Oh, look at Granny.
Ooh, check this one out.
Roush
Let's see.
440.
Ooh, take a look at this one.
Rather go. Uncle Mark used to have an SS, or he had a Z28 70 and a half. That was way cleaner than that thing. This is 71.
Woo!
He is good.
Do you think Jerry's here?
It'd be pretty cool, but the problem is I'm sure we're alive. I know it was our neighbor.
No bugs.
Yep. Oh, videos. What's that on top? What the heck is that?
God.
What is that thing?
Those are just boats.
That's
Old
crazy.
Nova.
Dukes of Hazzard over there?
Mustang. Look at that giant car. The giant
Save
car. There you go.
Somebody did some fabricating.
Yep.
Good cage.
That's a big car right there. Wow, they're driving on top.
fabricated.
That's nice right there.
Let's see.
You like this, honey?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that one.
I never got into those AMAXs. Never got into those. Never got into those. That's 67. That was Supreme.
This one I like.
That's like my El Camino, except I had another.
Same as yours before? Dang.
Let's see though.
That's nice right there. That hood will bang. 71.
It's funny. Relax.
Super Sport. Oh, beat up.
Is that
Oh,
Ford?
deluxe, yeah.
Some of these guys look like they were drivers there.
That's part of Buick Riviera.
Riviera.
I'll be right back.
Driving
Where you
an AMC.
Where are you going?
Just to go chat with the drivers. I'll be back.
Honey,
Scott.
stay in here.
Everybody's just watching the show.
Okay.
So you just,
I gotcha. I thought it was like the air show, you know. Where
at the base. Now
Ah.
probably. See that? That's an air conditioning from way back in the day.
Oh.
That's an AC.
That's a very old one.
If you're over, we crossed the bridge in it.
Nothing, honey.
Stock hubcaps, everything on it. I think probably worth about 70,000, 80,000. That's
SS?
69 SS. It's been just on some of those hydraulics. You're looking at $5,000-$10,000 just on the hydraulics. Ain't cheap.
Are we allowed to take pictures up close?
I am doing it.
What do you think you're doing?
Yeah, she's taking a video.
At the same time.
Oh, just wait till they're all done.
Yeah, wait till they're all done.
No, we're gonna go down to the Firebird.
Like that. Let's take a video and then the picture it like this. Like that.
They might even close.
Saturn?
We're all gonna drive here for a couple hours and then they're all gonna park over here.
That's 10.
That Saturn had? Or was that 1966?
Got a ton of cars out here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Scotty. Look at that.
Yeah, I get you. Fancy.
About $10,000 worth of hydraulics.
Dang. Yeah, I can tell. Fancy, what do they call them? Hubcaps?
No, those are knockoffs. Those are Dayton's right there.
Ah.
Those are Zeniths. Look like Zeniths.
But it's the shark.
Must be the San Jose Shark fans.
What the heck?
I look like a San Jose Sharks fan. Except they started off pretty bad this year. Bel Air's clean.
What is it, hon? Bel Air?
Bel Air, yeah. Big Rick had one of those.
Oh, right there, hon, I think.
Hello, Caprice. Grandpa used to have a 1970 Caprice with a 454 in it.
What?
Yeah. Got all the cars parked in the middle. As long as it's open. 67. That's fine. Like that.
Yeah, that's pricey because
It's a cool one.
Look, it's standing the front end on that or something. That thing's
Very nice. Like it?
Heck yeah, look like an old mobster. Yeah, a mob car. That thing's bad.
guys keep crossing the street and not telling me.
Oh, that's why you're supposed to be around. Got the rumble seat in the back.
Yeah, you see the green Jeep with the
So
star on it?
this is how they got around back then. They put the kids in the back seat.
Is it?
Yeah. The seat pops up. See? The seat goes down. You pull it up. And
How
you
about the
got-
roof?
Oh, it's convertible.
No roof? For the kids?
The old Ford. Those things ran forever.
Are they cool looking or what?
This is the mob car, hon. Hey, Dad. Dad, this is the mob car.
Bob?
Yeah.
Officer?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna move over there. I think I see
You guys are in love right here. Nice. Yes. Nice. Yes.
Mayor of Roseville, right there. Where's our free ice cream? Where's our free ice cream? Look at that rip air. Hey, Mom, I'm gonna cross.
No, you're gonna stay with us.
Oh, yeah. I'll figure it out.
Oh, dude. I meant,
Oh, yeah.
I meant like this one with my drug race. Yeah, I'm doing it too.
What's a 43?
If anybody beats me,
Oh, thanks.
This one is clean.
I think it's beautiful.
Yep. Very clean.
Got the
Over there.
yes, sir. Yeah, I will.
Chevy. Very clean Chevy, huh?
Yeah.
Let's clean it up. That. I like that one too.
Huh? But you don't like old cars, remember?
Well, it's clean.
RSSS, highway lights.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Thunderbird. So clean inside though.
I looked at those years ago.
Alright.
What's that?
Looky hand.
T-Bird.
Wasn't that the one Boss Hog used?
No. Boss Hog used to drive a white Continental or Cadillac.
Oh, there is the purple one. It's so cute.
I think you see the flames when it lets off the gas at nighttime. That's good. Good old flames out there. This F100 is clean.
This one right here, huh?
This F100.
Love.
Let's see.
Sweetie.
Oh my God, look at that one.
I know, huh? This one right here. That.
You guys have a good day.
Okay.
Good luck on your paint.
I know.
God, it's beautiful.
Watch the step.
Look at that guy.
Okay, bye.
Lighting of the propane. Full of hammy.
Yeah.
Dad called it.
Which one? This one right here? Is that Jerry? It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit with the glasses on.
Looking so powerful rabbit.
Little beat up Dodson.
I was gonna stand and go, be like, yeah, but I didn't.
There's hydraulics in there.
Nah. You smell it? Huh?
Smelling tree. Steel Grand National. Got a little V6 in there, but a supercharged. Yep.
Okay.
Good for sale.